Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have hopefully a quick but super simple makeup look today. It is super simple eyeshadow with a super bold eyeliner. I wanted to do something that really complemented my hair today because my hair was not cooperating with me today. That's why. So that's why it's all up in a messy ponytail, and then you see all these baby hairs just hanging out. I didn't want to like dry my hair out with a bunch of hairspray, but yeah, this is today's look. Super simple, super easy, and super quick. So let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, if you couldn't already tell, I went ahead and did my base makeup. I put my eyebrows, which are Maybelline, Morphe foundation, Morphe concealer, Morphe setting powder, and today we're gonna bronze up with some Morphe bronzer, if I can find it. So we're gonna go in with the Morphe Debutante. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And we're just gonna bronze real quick with that. Okay, after we bronze the face, I'm just gonna take a little bit on a BH Cosmetics brush, not too much, and just lightly contour the nose. I have my hair up today because it was very messy, and then it took me forever to put it in this ponytail. Alright, next I'm just gonna go in with this Becca Cosmetics blush in the color Songbird. I've already hit pan because it's such a pretty color. Just gonna put down the apples on my cheeks. Okay, so the main focus of this look is gonna be the eyes. We're gonna do a really simple, natural, nude, warm eye with a bold liner is what I'm going for. I have like a picture in my head of what I want to do, but we'll see how that goes. So I already have some powder on my eyes and I'm just gonna dust that off real quick. Alright, and then today's look, we're just gonna use all the colors, well not all the colors, we're just gonna use colors from this Morphe. I believe this is the 35O palette. Yes, it is 35O palette. It has a bunch of nudes and neutrals, and yeah, we're just gonna start with that. I'm just taking a flat BH Cosmetics brush, dipping into this white color to set my eyelids. Alright, and next we're gonna go in with this color right here. These color shades have no names, so I'm just gonna have to point to it. We're gonna use this one right here. In my crease with a Morphe M441 brush. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with a little bit of a darker color, this one right here, to deepen my outer corner, to deepen the V just a little bit. And I'm going to take, I'm gonna take a Morphe M139 brush, lightly tap into that color, and just darken up the outer V. Okay guys, this is gonna be a really simple ass eyeshadow look because we're just gonna add in that same white color right here back on the lid. It's gonna be super simple matte eye look. Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. Just in the inner corner and then just drag it out. And then I'm just gonna take a Morphe M312 brush, go back into that same dark brown we went to deepen our V in, and just kind of start at the end and taper it in just a little bit. A little goes a long way. You do not need so much of this color. And now the fun part, the part I've been waiting for so long. The eyeliner. What I was gonna go for with this look is a thick liner, something that's really bold and focuses on the liner, which is why the eyeshadow is so simple. But I'm really scared. I don't really do eyeliner anymore, but I should try to relearn. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the Morphe liquid liner in the color black. Move that over there. Sorry, I'm gonna get a little bit closer to my mirror because this requires skill and focus. And then I'm just gonna draw, a line from the end to the front first. Just a solid line. It's a solid line, the back, so everything has ink. And from the outer corner, just start drawing a line. And then from there you can start connecting it. And there we go. Ooh, that's a thick liner. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be back. Alright guys, I did my other liner off camera. I also cleaned up the edges with a small concealer brush and concealer. And now it's time for some lashes. Today's lash, we're going to be using Mykonos Lite by Lilly lashes. I wanted something a little bit on the lighter side so that you can really see the liner. So we're going to go with Mykonos Lite. Alright, I just put some duo glue on the lash. I'm going to let it get tacky for a little bit. And I'm going to try to guide you how to put on a lash. Because I know a lot of people don't wear lashes because they say it's super tricky. And it is at first. Honestly, if you like just practice like every single day, put on a set of eyelashes every single day for like a month, not even a month, but like 2 weeks, then you'll get the hang of it. What you're gonna want to do is take your tweezers and hold it from the middle of the lash like that. Look, get a mirror, look straight at yourself, put the lash in the middle of your eye, just press it in there, and then you can take the outer corner and push it onto your lash line, and same thing with the inner. And there you go. Easy. It's literally middle, outer, inner, and you're done. I'm gonna put on the other eyelash off camera and I'll be back. Now, I forgot I have a bunch of translucent powder on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that away. Under the eyes, the forehead, the chin. You can blend it out to your bronzer, lighten it up if you needed it to. But yeah, definitely get the under eyes because they're gonna look powdery. Alright, after that, we're gonna go back into the Morphe palette and we're actually gonna take this super dark brown right here and put that on our lower lash line. And I'm just gonna use a Morphe 432 brush. It's a flat brush. Just a little bit of that. And then we're gonna put some lower mascara. Just the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. You can go kind of heavy with this one since the makeup look is so light. For highlight, we're going to go in with the Morphe Spark. I've also hit pan on this because it's such a beautiful color. I'm going to take a Morphe M451 brush, pack it on, and my hair. Ooh, so pretty. Can never have enough highlight. And for lips, super simple because you want the focus to be on this thick eyeliner. We're gonna go in with the MAC Viva Glam number 2. And I'm also going to take just a little bit of the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss in Fairly Floss. Just touch it on the center. The top. And boom. And now we're going to take some Morphe setting spray. Set our makeup in place. And just slightly fan myself dry with the Morphe palette. Alright guys, here is the completed look. Super simple. 3-color eyeshadow look plus a bold liner. And I think it really complements my ugly ass ponytail. But yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry that my eye focus has been like this way and then that way, because I see myself this way, but the camera lens is right there. So I'm working on it. I'm working on that. I'm gonna fix that. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see next. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Little baby hairs. I lost a no, it's right here. I have a really large head.